So we are on our way to the coveted Mall of America. I don't know if any of you care about seeing that, but I figure since, what is it, like the second biggest mall or something in the country? I don't know. I think the one in Edmonton is bigger.
Oh, you said
I don't remember. But anyway, so me and my sister Bianca making her first appearance on my channel. She didn't want to do this and I'm forcing her, but yeah, so we're on our way to the mall. I figured I would take you guys with me since I promised a video every day this week. I thought, why not add in a little bit of a mall vlog and you can take a look into our just exciting everyday life. Right, Bianca? What do you think?
I think so too.
Okay, so in Minnesota, it's super shitty right now. It's snowing and it's cold as fuck and we're really sick of this weather. I hope you just heard me because I think I was covering up the speaker at that point, but yeah, we're on our way there and I'm testing out a new foundation right now and I'm not quite sure if I like it or not, but we shall see. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the mall. So every time me and Bianca go to the mall, we always have old school music on, something nostalgic, and this time is Alanis Morissette. And we decided that every time we hear this, we think of Joey from Full House, Uncle Joey, and how we know now that he fooled around and cheated on Alanis in a movie theater. How embarrassing is that? It's hilarious. Uncle Joey. So stupid. Those are cute. Usually I get really discouraged shopping clearance racks, but I just got two really cute as fuck hoodies here at Forever 21 for $10.50. And we were gonna give up on the clearance racks, but we decided we should probably look because when you can get two things for $10.50, it feels pretty rewarding and you feel like a badass. You know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. The first thing that we ever want to do when we get here isn't even shop. We want to eat and we're starving. So we're just trying to go get some food and then we'll bring you guys around to some more stores. So much good shit in this food court. There's Shake Shack. This is the Culinary on North. Bianca, what are you getting?
Chick-fil-A kind of sounds good.
I know, it's like I want all the bad stuff. I don't, Naf Naf sounds so good, but Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, maybe Naf Naf. I don't know. That does sound good.
There's Naf Naf. That's the healthy choice, but I don't know, that's probably what I'm gonna get. I think this is the place. This is our view from the food court. She doesn't want me to film her, but I'll look at her cleaning out her teeth. Action shot. I keep looking up at the monitor, I'm sorry, instead of looking into the actual camera. So yes, plan is we just finished eating. We're gonna go get our lime cool refreshers with coconut milk. Shout out to Kathleen Lights. Saw her drinking that in her video yesterday. And yeah, now I really want that. So we're gonna get those, head over to Sephora, and then we will go to IKEA to see if there's any cute little knickknacks that we could find over there. Weekday is ideal because it's not busy, and usually this place is so freaking busy. But this shit looks like, what do they call this? Like a spaceship. This is the newest part of the mall. Holy shit, look at that chrome car. That is sweet.
Right there though.
There's another one. Are these all Tesla? No, these are not all Teslas. All right, now off to get the Starbucks. I always have this little like curly Q shit right here. Annoying. A mobile Starbucks. Bianca's bad at this vlogging thing.
Not good. I know, but I'm not good. Oh my god.
That tastes like vacation.
Yeah, that is so good.
Kathleen Lights, the recommendation was bomb. Shout out, doubt you'll ever see this, but whatever, it's good. It's a refresher, it's refreshing. Alright, now we gotta find Sephora. You think that how many times I've been in this mall that I would know how to find that? Waiting forever for this place to open up. When the fuck is this place gonna open up? This sweet Jesus ice cream shit. How bomb does that look? That looks so good. I want it. So fun fact, Nickelodeon Universe, back in my day, was actually Camp Snoopy. It's still Camp Snoopy to me, bitch. Nickelodeon Universe, nowhere is good. About the Mall of America is that there's so many restaurants in here. Like this is, it's just all food constantly. Welcome to America. But half this shit isn't even that good. You would think that with how popular the mall is and the attraction that it is, that they would actually have decent food. Most restaurants on Google have like a 2-star rating that are in this mall. Like, it's just not that good. I don't know why. I think at the Mall of America that the Sephora would be bigger, you guys, but it's not. I'm gonna try to record in here. I have a feeling I'm gonna get yelled at, but let's try it. I love this foundation right here. I can't remember which color I tried that I liked out of this, but I really like it. The Smashbox Primerizer. Those lipsticks are so cute. I've always wanted to try one. All shopping was a success. Bianca didn't find anything in the clearance area. She doesn't have much patience for it. We gave up, but I can see my breath. That is unacceptable. It is almost April. Wow, I've been bitching about the weather the whole time. Bianca ran out of windshield wiper fluid, so.
And the gas light's on.
And the gas light's on, so sorry you guys for the cloudiness. That would explain that, but yeah. This is IKEA. ASMR voice. Bianca, you like ASMR videos, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Oh, there
Bianca, tell us your opinion about the gaslight.
You know, the thing is I really don't care if it's on right now.
So I
It'll
guess
probably go for like 15 more minutes.
50 more miles, you mean? Or do
No,
you time
not 50.
it? No,
Probably
15.
only for like 12 more miles. It's been on for like the past.
Oh shit.
Like, it's been on since Minneapolis.
Alright, so we are gonna make one more stop. We're gonna go to IKEA. And you guys, update on this foundation. It is breaking up all around my nose. And I didn't tell you guys what foundation it was, but it's the Estee Lauder, what is it, the nude wear, the water wear one or some shit? I don't remember. It had nice coverage, but I look like an oil slick, which is strange for me because I always have super dry skin and it's like super creasy. My eye makeup looks cool today. But yeah, and I just look really oily and it's settling into like every line and pore on my forehead, which is, what would we say? It's gonna be a no for me, dogs. Yeah, so we're gonna head to IKEA and I'll probably bring you guys around there with me a little bit, and then I think we're gonna wrap this bitch up and call it a day. Angle for a camera is right under your chin.
But that's horrible.
Into IKEA we go.
At 1667, car
Trying to burn off that. Oh, look at this hair. That is cute. Trying to burn off the ice cream cone I'm about to eat. Bianca's been holding her piss for like an hour. While she pees, let's go look at all the Swedish food. Free of GMOs. Oh, that looks amazing. IKEA without the cones.
So good.
Bomb. It's been so long
Okay.
since I've had one. Sarah, sorry for eating on camera. I know you hate it. It's my favorite room out of all the IKEA examples, actually. Because it's small, but look at this kitchen. This is adorable. I love it. And you guys, this wallpaper over here, let me get it. It is so cute. It's like peacock feathers. It's so cute, this little space. If I had to have a small space, this is what I would want it to look like. Closed for safety, but oh, wait. There's Bianca down there with the box. With your fucking plant and your ice cream cone. I'm gonna zoom in. She's on her phone in the middle of IKEA.
I'm coming out.
Did we find a new and exciting product today? What about you, Bianca?
I did.
She did, her plant. Where's the Icelandic sheepskin rug?
No, I can't find it anywhere.
So the vlog ends here. It's freezing, it's snowing.
Wait, how did I put on tight though? Should I put
And
on
Bianca's
tight?
trying to, yeah, well, you can tell it's facing the right way because it was facing 5 degrees when we went in. We don't know what the fuck we're doing, but all right, you guys, till next time, see you later. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh. We will see you next time. Big thanks to Bianca for joining me on my vlog today. She doesn't know what she's doing.
Where do I put this?
I don't know, you had it in the back of your car. Bye.